Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
By the way, my name is Lan. Nice to meet you.
My name is Thảo. Nice to meet you too.
So your name is Thảo.
Yes,
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
19 years old.
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm a first year student.
A first year student.
Yes.
Do you like going to school?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Yes.
Do you usually go to school on weekends?
Yes, I do. I do it very often.
You do it very often?
Yes.
How often do you go to school?
I usually go to school 5 days a week.
5 days a week.
Yes.
When do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school in the afternoon.
In the afternoon?
Yes.
What time do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school at 12:30 p.m.
12:30 p.m.
Yes.
Who do you usually go to school with?
I usually go to school with my friends.
With your friend. With your friends.
Yes.
How many people are there in your class?
There are 40 people in my class.
40 people?
Yes.
And how many students are there in your school?
There are about 10,000 students out there in your school.
About 10,000 students?
Yes.
Where's your school?
My school is in Leeuwenhoek Street.
Leeuwenhoek Street?
Yes.
How far is it from the room to your school?
It's about one kilometer. It's about 1 kilometer from my room to my school.
1 kilometer.
Yes.
How do you usually go to school?
I usually go to school by bus.
By bus?
Yes.
How long does it take you to get to the school?
It takes me about 4 minutes to get there.
4 minutes?
Yes.
What time do you usually come back home from school?
I usually come back home from school at 5 p.m.
5 p.m?
Yes.
What do you usually do before going to school?
Well, before going to school, I usually have lunch.
Have lunch?
Yes.
What do you usually do after coming back home from school?
Well, after coming back home from school, I cook dinner. I usually cook dinner.
Cook dinner?
Yes.
May I have your phone number?
Yes, of course. It's 01652.
01652?
Yes. 576.
576?
588.
588?
Yes. It's 01652. 576. 588.
01652 576 588.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, see you later.
See you later.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.